Hi class, for this lab, please follow this link and it's going to take you to the following website. It's a Desmos website, and basically what you're given in this website is a normal distribution. And in order to create a normal distribution with a mean of 8 units, basically you just have to do the following. You have to move the value of b all the way to the value of 8. And what that's going to do is it's going to give us a normal distribution with a mean of 8. Now, the constant here of a, at the moment, you can just move it if you want. But this creates basically the standard deviations. We'll talk about that in chapter 3. So this is all you need. Basically, make sure that b is equal to 8, and that's going to give us a normal distribution with a b of 8. Now, remember that when we talk about distributions, these represent populations. So you may be using this or a similar graph once you do your project. So this is the actual graph that I'm referring on the lab. The correct position is at the values of 8. So take a picture of this one and submit.